So let us talk about the data types in Java. Data types in Java are usually same, everything is same. The only difference what we see is in their bytes, the range size. Okay, so as you can see here, integer data type. Here integer data type further then there are four types in that, which is nothing but long short, which we have already seen in C, and int itself, and then we have byte over here. Okay, so whatever you have to remember, whatever you want to write here, just remember their range, and you have to mention that. I will be showing each by range and all in the next slides. So let us see about floating point numbers. So in float, like see, we have float and double itself. Then we have character, char, and then boolean. Okay, booleans are nothing but your true or false. That's it. Either 1 or 0. It can hold only two values, that is either 1 or 0. This is nothing but true or false. Okay, so let us see about integers, their size and all. So as you can see here, long na, so they have written width and range. So just see which is having which width, and just see the size. Try to remember the size. If you can remember, then that's more than enough. Nearby number also you can write. Usually it's not as much, but you have to understand the concept. So this is the picture representation. So this is about integers. We have byte and range and width of them. So if you want to learn what is this byte thing, that is the smallest integer type. The paragraphs there, you can pause the video and read. So about floating point types. So again we have double. Double is having more width than float. Okay. So just float you can use for normal size of variables. So then if you want to use more, you want to give more space, memory bytes for your variables, so you can use your double. So you can just see the sizes and all for this, and its width. The remaining two types of char. Char is nothing but single, so it has only one byte itself for that. So char is store ones, and we're talking about boolean. It will be either true or false, as we have seen in our if conditions. Whatever condition, if x is less than true, so we say return true or false. So if it is true, we'll return true, or else the false value. So boolean you can use like that itself. If you can just refer any notes for that. Just for understanding purpose, I have explained you what are booleans. So booleans are nothing but your true or false. That's it, either 0 or 1. You can use boolean in different ways also. If it is true itself, you can use some for loops to yeah, I can use some printf statements to print whether your condition, or whether whatever your condition you gave in the if loop, whether it is true or false. So you can print both true and false by printing only b, or sometimes you can only print if it is true itself. You have to print, you can give the statement. So if the condition is true, then only the printf statement will be printed. If the condition is false, the printf statement won't be printed.